My beautiful angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is what will happen from now to the next 1 month for you for water signs Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in the water sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or if you know a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, this reading is for you, friends. And you can cross watch it also, friends. Please do subscribe, like and share our channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe, like and share, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading and notifications. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading, and whenever you come across them, they will help you out. So and you can use it for any astrology, friends, and any by your name, your birth date, any astrology. So let's see, Cancers, how your next 1 month will be from now. Any month you can choose, or from any time period you can choose. They will help you out, these readings. We'll see first the theme of the month and then your love life and career, Cancer. So if your sun sign, rising sign, moon sign is in Cancer, or if you know a Cancer, you can cross watch it. So let us see, Cancers, what is the theme for Cancers for the next 1 month. Wow, Six of Cups, soulmate relationships, and Hierophant. So absolutely, love is coming your way. Love, interpersonal relationships, Cancers, and childhood friendships, love, childhood connections, romance, and justice, and spiritual connections, past life connections. All those things are going to be the theme for the next 1 month for you, Cancers. What else is the theme for Cancers? Definitely King of Cups, Cancer. You are coming into your power. You are coming into your own energy. You are going to feel very, very connected to your own emotions, to your own self. And I also feel you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or someone who is you share a very deep emotional connection with in the next 1 month. You could be dealing with that person. They may or may not be a water sign, but they are someone who has a lot of love and affection for you. I feel this is also about marriage and wedding for some of you. Maybe some of you are going to get married, or something like that. Hermit. So definitely Hermit and Hierophant, they are about thinking, spirituality, wisdom, love, spiritual union, lot of knowledge, lot of awareness, lot of understanding coming your way. And the Page of Pentacles, this card is coming up like anything, it's like in every reading showing up now. You could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or someone who is very earthy in their energy. I also feel it could be about a new love relationship, or a new money, a source of new money coming your way ahead. I definitely feel that, Cancers. I feel some sort of a justice is going to happen with the Hierophant here. Things are going to balance out in your life, Cancers. This is so amazing. Your love relationships and your work both are going to get balanced and, beautiful and harmonious. This is amazing. For Cancers, the theme for the next 1 month. Ooh. Enlightenment. See, I told you the Hermit is here, and spiritual understanding, complacency. So, and perfection. I feel like, there is a situation which you feel is like stuck and not moving, or which you feel, like it could be about work, where you feel like someone is not taking any action towards you, or like love or work or money is not coming towards you. But I think that is going to change. Someone is going to realize how perfect you are, or you are going to realize the perfection of your relationships and how beautiful you are. And enlightenment. Cancers, there are two themes here for you. Firstly, you are going to get a lot of enlightenment, spiritual understanding, why some things happened in the past, and also you are going to find a lot of self love. You are going to feel this happy and harmonious self within you. And I also feel a very perfect romance is coming your way, but God will show you the path, or angels will show you the path, but don't be complacent, act on it. It could be a work situation coming your way which is perfect and destined for you, but you will have to take action. It just won't, even if it drops in your lap, you will still have to catch it, right? You still have to catch it, Cancers. It just won't be like, it's there but you don't act. So make sure to act. Let's see how your love life will be, Cancers. You have a soulmate relationship coming for Cancers. How their love life will be in the next 1 month. Wow, the judgment is here. So, yeah, definitely big changes are coming in your love life. Awareness. Queen of Cups is here. So, definitely the King and Queen both are here. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or there is a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces who will be important ahead. It could be, let us see more cards and then I'll say, because I'm getting a lot of messages already. For Cancers, 1 month from now, someone is going to offer you love. Wow, it could be your twin flame. This is beautiful. This is a destined relationship. Already you may have met this person when you were younger, or when you were kids, or maybe 5 to 6 years back, but you lost touch with them, and or they hurted you, something happened, they moved away, you moved away, blocking, all those things. But some sort of a karmic justice is coming now, and this person and you are going to come back, Cancers. Wow, this is amazing. You are going to get your justice done. You have a lot of, see, a new start is coming. This is magical, and wishes coming true for you, Cancers, definitely. So what is going to happen if you are dealing with if you are dealing with the issues in your marriage? Expect some sort of a healing to happen, and some sort of a balance to come in your love life, and emotions to open up. Someone who was not telling you their emotions, they will reveal their emotions, and communications will happen, and a situation in your love life will balance out, and the give and take will be proper in this relationship. I feel this person may have ghosted you or blocked you, or they were not showing their true feelings for you. I also feel this person was trying to, was at a distance from you and watching you from a long, long time, but not coming towards you. But this person will now, or soon in a month, will make a move towards you, and this will bring a lot of happiness and joy for you. This will be like a wish come true, a very happy movement for you. It could be your soulmate, because you have the soulmate, or it could be someone you are very fond of, or this person is very fond of you. This will lead to a new start in this connection. For others, I feel if you are already married or going through a divorce or some sort of a fight with your family, I feel something will resolve there and peace will come. I feel it would be different for every one of you, but the general energy is that peace will happen, resolutions will happen for your love life. Angels are working to balance your love life in every way, and new start will come for you. If you are really, really single, I feel you are going to meet a very amazing connection, and it will be someone you will get married to, or someone you meet through proposals or something, and you talk about marriage, but actually they are your soulmate. You may start right from first. It may be like an arranged marriage or something for some of you, but they are your soulmate, and you are going to really enjoy talking with them or knowing them. I also feel this person and you, some of our others, this person in your childhood, and you lost each other, or you once tried to get married to each other, but you lost each other at that point of time, and you moved away on your own separate paths. But now they will come back towards you, because destiny is bringing them back, and a new start will happen in your love life. This is beautiful. I just love it. Any advice for you, for Cancers, for their love life? I feel someone is going to offer you this beautiful, huge cup of love, and it is because you have also learned to love yourself. You are becoming enlightened, awakened. See, two of wands. So maturity, someone is going to become mature about their things and their how they are dealing with you. I feel you and someone else is becoming very mature and awakened. And if you are single, this you are attracting a very strong romance which is spiritually powerful and helpful for you and this person. This is like this is like an awakened connection. This is not like a usual relationship. Let us see how your career will be for cancers. Let us see that how your career education will be from now till the next 1 month. Wow, the lovers, the wheel of fortune, and nine of swords. Definitely, you are anxious about your career and money. I feel some of you are feeling very restricted at your job or your current life path or education. You feel like you don't have choices. You want to work things. You are working hard, but it's not helping right now. You feel restricted. You feel like, you are blocked in some way. You cannot do what you desire in your work. Your resources are limited. Or like if you are a businessman or something, like if you are an artist, you can't buy your paints or supplies. Or if you are a businessman, because of the quarantines, you feel like there are less options now. You can't do anything. You are like restricted and limited. But I feel this is going to shift. This is going to shift because you have the lovers. So you will have a choice to shift your mindset regarding your career. I feel someone can help you out and there will be a choice in it. Like maybe two or three people will help you out, or two or three job offers will come, or like you have two three ideas, cancers, about your work and career. But I feel like you should decide which one you will follow. And because one of the ideas you have can lead to a lot of success and in your career and love, in your career as well as your education and money. So if you are a student and struggling and feeling like, I feel a lot of you students are becoming very anxious and frustrated because you feel alone, or you feel there is a lack of support, or even if you are working you feel like this all confusion is leading to some other problems. I feel things are going to shift. You are on the right path. Trust yourself. Don't lose focus. Money is also going to come your way, and some opportunity will also come. Maybe it is like things are not as restricted as you feel in your career. Hanged man, the five of wands. Definitely, you feel your heart is saying one thing, your mind is saying another thing in your work and career and education. But I think you should be patient and not make like snap decisions. Like be patient, cancers, and take your time, and success will definitely be yours. Let's see one final message for cancers. Let's see that. Oops. Wow, a new life is coming for you, number 39. So definitely new beginnings are coming for you. Some of you could be getting pregnant or getting childbirth, or for others, I feel some of you are going to step out of your old life into a beautiful brand relationship or marriage, or some of you are going to step into the work that you always desired to do. Maybe you are a painter, you never painted, or you never told the world you are a painter, so you are going to do that. It's a new and happy changes, fork in the road. Definitely changes are coming. Decisions, choices lie ahead of you. Take your time in making your decisions, cancer. That is my advice to you. You have at this crossroad, you are at this crossroad, but you ahead the future is very positive, but take your time in making the decisions. Number 13, 31, 18, 19 will be important for you. So that's it for now, cancers. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you, friends. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwandstarot.com. Friends, I will skip to the Pisces reading. If you want to join there, continue watching. If not, this is Mystic C saying bye. Hi, beautiful angels. For if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Pisces, this reading is for you. You can also cross watch it for a Pisces. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. This is for 1 month from now. This is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime. So let's see, Pisces, what is your theme for the next 1 month? Let's see that. Wow, the Five of Pentacles. Okay. Wow, the Queen of Wands. You are going to feel very passionate, Pisces. You are going to attract a lot of lovers or lot of positive energy, I feel. It is like a lot of ambition, power, success is coming your way. I also feel a victory is coming your way. It could be a a divine feminine or masculine is coming your way. The Page of Rods. Definitely fire signs could be important for you, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or a very passionate relationship is important to you. There is also the Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Wow, lots of people are important for you 1 month from now. It could be friends, family, or co-workers. I feel Pisces, this is your energy. This is you, and these are the two people involved with you, or they are important in your work or career. Let's see what else. Wow, the Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, that's a lot of people for one reading. So, what is going to happen in the next 1 month? I feel you are going to find a lot of friendships, a lot of people. I also feel you will have to balance your body, mind, and soul, Pisces. Like, I feel like you have to find a balance in life in some way. Like your communications should be very important. I feel how you communicate, how you present yourself to the world, and how ambitious you are. All those things, Pisces, will be important. I feel there you could be dealing with a lot of people also 1 month from now. And Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and of course this is your own energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Theme of the month, I feel you are missing someone, Pisces, right now, or someone like you are missing someone, or someone is missing you, or there could be 2 or 3 people, your friends, your ex-lovers, or lover missing you, husband or wife. So all those people are important, and the theme for the month is those people and you and the dynamics between them. Okay, forgiveness. So definitely someone will reach out to you for forgiveness, or you may have to forgive yourself or someone for hurting or something like that. I feel you will have to, in your career, Pisces, you will be very bold, you will be very passionate, and just like an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, unstoppable. For I feel like if you in I also feel in love, communications and the way you communicate is important. How you communicate, Pisces, that's important. What is coming, who is how you say things and who is saying things, those things will be important. Passion, see, there is, you have to focus on what makes you passionate. What is your passion, Pisces? You will be figuring that out and moving towards those things or those people. I also feel a lot of love and romance is coming ahead for you. Any other theme for Pisces? Confusion, oh my god. No wonder you have so many people, because you might face a little confusion because of so many people coming in your life, Pisces. Also, you may face some confusion in your heart and your mind, which to follow, which not to follow. So there is this energy of a lot of confusion happening for you. So take time, forgive yourself, don't be too hard on yourself, Pisces. You are doing a great job, you are passionate, you are connecting to your power. I feel sometimes, Pisces are very giving, nurturing and loving people. So sometimes when they are very aggressive about their work or putting themselves first, they start to feel like guilty. I feel that is what is happening. You may like feel a little guilty about following your passions or being bold, putting yourself first. So that is the theme for you, Pisces. For you, let's see how your love life will be, because you have a lot of people. Some of you could also, if you are a man, you could be dealing with two people. Pisces, if you are a man, Pisces man, you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Aquarius, Libra woman. And they are both very fiery, they are both very passionate, they are both very strong leaders. If you are married, they both could be your, your mother, your mother-in-laws. Congratulations. You have like, ooh. This is some Stevie situation. This is like power. You are like in a power struggle here. Let's see, Pisces. Let's see. Lots of messages coming for Pisces. Their love life. Hanged man. Yes, take some patience, take some time. Four of Pentacles. The again an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So someone may have walked away from you, or you walked away from someone, Pisces, but that person still feels the attraction for you, love for you. You also feel the love and attraction of their energy and their love. I feel this person keeps watching on you, or you are watching them from far, and they want to move towards you. I also feel there is another person who is watching you from far, a secret admirer or someone, and they want to make a move, but they are like a little stuck. They are like watching and waiting for the right time, because you have a lot of people here, Pisces, definitely. What will happen in 1 month from now? The Magician. Yes, someone is oh my god, the Ace of Cups and the Magician. Wow, this is beautiful. New romance and absolutely renewed romance is coming for you. You are manifesting this. Someone is trying to manifest for you. I think this is destined also in some way. Pisces, you may have to walk away from someone, or someone walked away from you. That is what I feel. For majority of you, someone walked away from you, but they are not able to forget you. Could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This person is not able to forget you. They still think about you. They are watching you, keeping an eye on you. But I feel there is another person who is also coming for you, and this person is a wish come true. If you are single, they will be your ideal match, and this is not the person you already know. They are a new person. They could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, also Pisces. So this is a new connection coming for some of you. For others, I feel someone you lost, or someone who lost you, may want to come back towards you. They want to manifest you back into their life. They are keeping a secret watch on you, and they are waiting for the right time. They may come and ask for your forgiveness. Here is the forgiveness card. So they may come towards you and ask for forgiveness. If you are really like, if you are married, there may be some situation which is keeping you stuck, or this marriage is stuck in some way. Like there is a lack of passion, there is a lack of attraction. You and your husband and wife, husband or wife, are not talking or sharing, or there is a lack of passion and emotional connection. But I feel some distance, or maybe this quarantine is trying to help you figure out the love and this emotional connection in this marriage. So exciting times for you, Pisces. Let us see some extra messages from these cards for you. For Pisces, how their love life will be. I feel for others, you are going to attract a new partner, actually two partners, and there is already an ex-partner here. So impatience, yeah, you are getting very impatient about things in your life. You just want to grab this moon. You see a moon. I feel some of you could be already in contact with this Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or this Aries, Leo person, or you just see them and you are like, I want that person. I absolutely want that person. It is mine. But you have to wait. You have to wait a little, Pisces, before you jump into the ocean and like destroy everything with impatience. I think there is divine timing affecting your love life, and yeah, this is the love is absolutely there. You just need some patience and acceptance. Yeah, some things may not be working out in the way you thought, Pisces, or some people may not be like you were thinking you will end up with one person, but your soulmate is a different person than what you thought about. So that is there. So try and be patient, friends. And there may be a relationship which is testing your patience. So try and accept it for now, especially if it's a marriage for some of you. Be patient about it. Things can get better. Let's see your career and your money area for Pisces, how their career and money will be. Wow, the star in reversed. Wow. The Seven of Cups. You definitely feel like the Strength in reversed. Oh my god. The High Priestess, three major arcanas already, and the Queen of Pentacles. I feel like you are feeling also the impatience card could also be related to your work and career, because like you know there is this is your destiny, something in your career is your destiny, like you are the path you are on is the right one, but that path is giving you a lot of challenges, Pisces. Like you have a lot of confusion or roadblocks in your career right now. You may be like, yeah, I am destined to be a singer, I am destined to be an actor, but like it is not manifesting. That universe is keeping you waiting, and like this path is doesn't bringing you the money you need or the success you need. I think it is because there is a divine timing at work, and angels are also trying to help you polish your skills, or something is happening behind the scenes which is not evident right now. I also feel like angels are trying to make you stronger by making you wait for things in your work, I think, work and career. But you definitely are on the right path, and you should follow your intuition. I think you should also start learning or gaining more wisdom or information, because you it will be very helpful. And keep working and polishing your craft. I don't see a career change for you, Pisces, in the next 1 month, but I do see confusion. You feel like this is the path, but there is so much problems. Why? Because I feel angels want you to become this perfect master. Challenges make us stronger. I feel that is the quote for you, Pisces, for this month, especially your career and finances. Just like, maybe you have to work a little bit or be patient, and then this reward is going to come. This huge opportunity or this huge success will happen for you, Pisces. You are very close. You don't have to worry. You should connect with your intuition, or you should connect with your gifts. Page of Cups. So definitely connect emotionally with your work or career, especially if you are a student and you feel you are very young, and you feel like there are too many choices, but none of them are very right or perfect choice for you, because you have the card of confusion. You may face some confusion in your work or education, but you are on the right path. You have to trust yourself, or you figure out what is. I feel some of you are on the right path. You are just feeling, a lack of connection or a lack of passion. So find your passion. Here is also passion. Find your passion, go for it. Go for it. Let's see your final message. I think money will also be coming for you, Pisces. Money is coming. So find the end of confusion is your passion. Focus on your passion, and confusions will end. Wow, imagine. Yes, if you can imagine, you can have it. Your dream goal, your dream work, your dream destined relationship, the fate. I told you, Pisces, something is destined in your life. This weight, this confusion, and this, your relationships also. This is destined. You just cannot push it away, because it's happening for a reason, and you also know it. Number 17 is also about karma. So, yes, good luck will be coming your way. This confusion, this weight will be worth it. And deep knowing, yeah, I told you, Pisces. Thank you for confirming, angels. Yes, you do know what is happening, and you are wiser than you know. 43. 4 is about stability, 3 is about communication. So, definitely something is manifesting. It is big for you, and you are going to shine, Pisces. So that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. Let me know if this reading resonated. If you are if you are on Instagram, join us there as Magic Vans Tarot. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, and you can watch the Scorpio reading, or if you are going now, so it's bye from Mystic C. Hi Scorpio. So if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Scorpio, or you are cross watching for a Scorpio, this reading is for you. What will happen 1 month from now? And this is a timeless reading, friends, by any astrology that you follow, name, birth, date, whatever. So let us see how your overall theme will be for the next month. Let's see that 1 month from now, your overall theme, Scorpios. Then we are going to look into your love life, your career, money, and you can also cross watch it, friends. If you know a Scorpio, make sure to subscribe our channel, friends. Wow, King of Cups, definitely your energy, love, Emperor, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, the Magician. Wow, powerful energy. Someone is trying to manifest. The Ace of Rods, new start is coming for you, Scorpios. New start. You are going to come into your power. This is powerful energy. I feel you had faced a lot of challenges, Scorpios. Seven of Wands. You had been fighting a long and tough battle since a long, long time, be it in your love life or career. But I feel you are going to come into this energy of the Emperor. Things are going to change. You are going to find the power. You are going to come into leadership. You are going to come in the charge of your life, and your emotions and your mental energy will clear out, and you are going to find peace. I don't know why I feel like there is a lot of peace and happiness coming for you, Scorpios. Congratulations. And yes, you are going to what is that you want to manifest in your life, Scorpios? You are going to get that. A new start is coming for you, a brand exciting new start. And I feel if you don't know your twin flame, some of you are going to meet that twin flame or a very passionate connection. For others, it is in work that you are manifesting a powerful position. Maybe you are going to become a business tycoon, or owner of something very beautiful, or someone, something big is going to happen in your career. And even in your love life, I feel you a very passionate connection is coming. Let's see more messages from these cards for Scorpios. What is going to happen for Scorpios? Self-worth. I told you, see, you are going to become the king or a queen, Scorpios. You are going to realize you are worthy of excellent things. You are worthy of everything. You are the queen or the king of your life. And that is what I told you. You are going to feel so amazing. You are going to reconnect with your power, with your love, with your luck. And you are going to feel, yes, I'm worthy. I'm worthy of the amazing blessings coming my way. And not just that, someone, you are going to find someone who could be very rich, and I feel, or someone who will put you on a pedestal, like someone will put you on this pedestal. Some of you could be inheriting a lot of money, or spotlight is coming on you, like a lot of attention is coming on you. It is because you have realized and connected with your inner power. This is beautiful, Scorpios. Excellent, well done. Expansion, positive expansion is coming your way, friends. Scorpios, amazing. It could be in a relationship or a new relationship coming your way. I also feel your life is expanding in more beautiful and positive ways, and it is something you have been manifesting. I feel, Scorpios, you were struggling and had been through a lot of challenges, but those are of the past now. Everything of that is of the past. Now you are in a great energy. Let's see. Let's see. That's a good start, Scorpios. I'm loving it. Let's see how your love life will be. Wow, the Eight of Pentacles, the Tower. I think something will happen out of the blue. The Nine of Wands for Scorpios, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I did felt here also an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or someone very attractive, very bold, very passionate is coming towards you. Scorpios, their love life, the Ace of Swords. You have another ace coming up for you. Wow, this is beautiful. And the Page of Swords. And the Ace. Oh my God. Scorpios, what is going on? You have three aces. The Ace of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, the Ace of Rods is here. Look at this. Here in the... Oh my god, this is amazing, Scorpios. Ace of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Rod. How many new beginnings are going to happen for you? My god, this is amazing. So let's just see what's going to happen. I feel you are going to get a shake up in your love life, Scorpios, like something may end or something may suddenly shock your love life. I feel you are if you are single, Scorpios, you are very focused on your work. You have nothing to do with love. You are doing your own work and you don't want anything. You are very focused. You are like not at all interested in love, but boom, this amazing, this tower movement is going to bring you something in life. Something is going to shake up your world, and it will be a new and a very, very powerful, this new start. Ace of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, a new offer of a relationship coming from your twin flame or someone new. I feel there will be two people offering you love. It could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, and you have a potential new start with both these people. I also feel Scorpios, you may right now also be in a connection with someone. For some of you who are already in a connection with someone or in a relationship, that relationship may face a tower movement and end suddenly, or it has ended, or it has had a tower movement and things were not going good. You may decide to move away from this person because you realize you are worthy of something more. You are connecting with your self-worth. So, Scorpios, you may move out of this connection. Nine of Wands, you may decide to move out of a connection. Uh, and you may move into this beautiful connection with the Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or this Aquarius, Libra, Gemini may offer you a new love offer, or something like a friendship, or like a true friendship which will last long, and which, a friend which is there when you need them in difficult times. I feel if you already know this person and you had a tower movement with someone in the past, that person, Pisces, Scorpio, I don't know why I said Pisces. Sorry, friends. So, Scorpio, that person could also be coming back. If you had a tower movement with someone, that person wants to come back and want a breakthrough with you, but I don't think so. You will be open to them because you have connected to your self worth. You have realized you are worthy of great things, and that is why you will attract a new partner which is perfect and amazing. And if you are single, you may attract two people, but with one is more suitable for you than the other. Let us see the advice. Wow, the advice is Knight of Pentacles. I think you should be slow in your relationships or your decisions in relationship or love, because there is a lot of passion in all your relationships, in your love life. There is a lot of passion, and also you also kind of like not interested in love at all, but you are really passionate when someone comes towards you. So you have to find a slow pace, be slow, take your time. I would say take your time, don't rush. Any other message, advice? Yeah, see, again, this Page of Pentacles is here. Someone has ghosted you, someone has blocked you, someone has done you very, dirty, Scorpios. You may have had a tower movement, or it may happen in the future for you, because some sort of information will come out or some truths will come out, but you will cut this person away and a brand new connection will come towards you. This is beautiful. Let us see how your career will be. Let's see that, Scorpios, your career, your money. Wow, the Queen of Cups. Again, you are connecting with your career emotionally. The Ten of Cups, the Queen of Rods. Definitely, I feel there will be a lot of people helping you, Scorpios, at your work, and your focus will be more on your work rather than your love life. But I definitely feel you will attract a lot of attention in your work. You are going to attract a lot of attention. You are in this fiery energy, Scorpios. You want your work, you are passionate about it, you are ambitious, you are emotionally connected with your work and successful also. And I also feel others, your seniors, could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. They will help you in your career, or they will reward you, or they will respect your hard work. I also feel your career is going to go places, Scorpio. In 1 month from now, you could be if you are from travel industry and you feel like your job is suffering. I think you are going to find a way out, or some sort of a new start, or you are going to manifest something interesting in your career. If you are a student, I feel you are going to be very determined, and no one can stop you from achieving your dreams. It is like a lot of love and lot of affection is coming your way, Scorpios. People will try to deflect you and change your path in work and career and education, but nah, they can't. They just can't. I also feel like even family may try to tell you, do this, do that, take that, do that option, but I think you know what you want and you are going to follow it, and it is going to lead to a lot of happiness and ultimate success for you, because you have a ace of wands here. So new start in work, I feel it is not just a new start, it is a powerful break for you. It is like the break you were waiting for. And if you are in a family business or some sort of a business, I feel it is going to get a lot of push and powerful, motivation. I also feel you are worthy. You may get a position which you may doubt, like, can you do that? But I think you are worthy. You are worthy of all the joy that is coming towards you. Let us see your final message from these cards, Scorpios. For Scorpios, any other message? Yes, it wants to come out. New life is coming. We have the chaos and conflict. These cards just so I feel, oh my god, see, to be fair is also here. So I feel you're moving away from chaos and conflict, number 333. So yes, Scorpios, there is a person who caused you a lot of pain, a lot of anguish, a lot of injustice, or maybe gossip at work, or someone, you have a lot of attention on you, Scorpios. It's like everyone is focused on you, Scorpios. It's like you are here and everyone wants you. So you are moving out of the chaos and conflict, and you are stepping into this new life where everyone is supportive, or you know what you want, you know your self-worth, and you are breaking the shell, and good things are coming for you. Expansion will happen. To be fair, karmic justice is going to happen. Number 38, if you are dealing with a divorce or some legal issues, you can expect victory there, Scorpios. And if someone did you wrong, you can expect a victory or karmic justice to happen there. That's it for now, Scorpios. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel, Magic Wands Tarot, friends. If you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe. It makes my heart beautiful, and I feel very encouraged when you subscribe, like, and share, friends. Also, friends, do join us on Instagram as Magic Wands Tarot, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwandstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.